Hi, I'm 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗁. I'm the head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi and author of Tai Chi for Knee Health, the low-impact exercise system for eliminating knee pain. I'm here with today's Tai Chi for Knee Health tip, how to find the sweet spot in your knees. Let me explain briefly what I mean by the sweet spot. Then I'll lead you through a quick exercise to help you begin to feel the sweet spot in your knees. What I mean by the sweet spot is this. It's the position of your knees where the pressure inside your knees is as even and balanced as you can get it. When you're on your sweet spot, you don't feel more pressure in the front of your knees, you don't feel more pressure in the backs of your knees, you don't feel more pressure on either sides of your knees. You feel the pressure in your knee even and balanced. That's the sweet spot. Why is the sweet spot important? Because when you're on your sweet spot, you're not putting excess pressure or force in parts of the knee that are irritated, injured, or arthritic. More pressure or force into parts of the knee that are irritated, injured, or arthritic makes it worse and causes pain. Balancing the pressures in the joint creates an environment where the knee can begin to heal. So when it comes to healing your knees, the sweet spot is a big deal. Now for a quick exercise to help you find your sweet spot. So get up and join me. Stand comfortably. Place your feet more or less under your hips, more or less parallel. And then bring your mind up to your knees. And you want them soft, not locked. So you have a little bounce in your knees. Keep your knees soft through this whole exercise. And then, to the extent you can, drop your mind down into your knees and feel them. Lots to feel in your knees. And the sensation I'm going to ask you to tune into is the sensation of pressure. And the sensation of pressure in the knees is caused by the weight of the body above flowing through the knee joint on its way to the feet and the floor. So feel that pressure in your knees. And now that you can feel that pressure, we're going to begin to move it just a little. So with as small a movement as you can, move some pressure toward the front of your knees. And now depending on what you have going on in your knees, if this causes any discomfort, move less. This is a pain-free exercise. So move a little bit of the pressure to the front of your knees. Now move that pressure toward the back of your knees. Now with as small a movement as you can, move that pressure toward one side of your knees. Then move that pressure toward the other side. So now we can begin to move that pressure around. We can make circles, for example. Move that pressure to the front of the knees, the side, the back, the side, the front. Feeling that pressure, feeling your ability to move it. Now let's go the other direction. Front, side, back, side, front. Now, adjust your knee position, your alignments and your posture so that that feeling of pressure is as even and as balanced as you can get it in your knees. And when you found that, you find your sweet spot. So let's do this one more time. A little pressure toward the front of the knees, to the side, to the back, to the side, to the front. Now, adjust your knee position and posture so that pressure is as even and as balanced in your knees as you can get it. And that's your sweet spot. With a little training and practice, you spend more and more time on your sweet spot as you move about the day, reducing the amount of uneven pressure, of excessive force you put in one part of the knee or the other. That, combined with the exercises in my Tai Chi for Knee Health system, can put you on your way to pain-free knees.